You ever feel like you're just drowning in data? Well, today we're going to show you how to teach a computer to sort through all of it for you. And get this, without writing a single line of code. We're about to pull back the curtain on machine learning and put all that power right in your hands. All right, let's jump in. I mean, really think about it. You get all these emails, right? And somehow, almost like magic, your inbox sifts through them and pulls out all the junk. How in the world does it know the difference between an important message from your colleague and an offer for $1 million from a prince you've never met? Well, there's the secret right there. It's not magic at all. It's a really powerful machine learning technique, and it's called classification. At its heart, it's just about teaching a computer to put things into the right buckets. Is this spam or is it not spam? It's really that simple. So that brings us to our first big idea, the classification challenge. This is really the core of it all. How do you actually teach a machine to think? To spot the patterns in a giant heap of data and start categorizing things just like a person would. Okay, so look at the definition here. See those two words, predefined groups? That's the key. What we do is we give the computer a bunch of examples that are already labeled, like, say, 1,000 emails we've already marked as spam, and another 1,000 we've marked not spam. The computer's job is to study those examples and figure out the rules on its own. So how do we pull this off without needing a PhD in computer science? Well, that is where our tool for the day comes in. I want you to think of the MATLAB Classification Learner app as your own personal machine learning workbench, fully loaded with everything you need. On the left, you've got the old way, writing endless lines of pretty complex code, testing one idea at a time. It's slow, it's painful, and you have to be a real expert. But now look at the right. That's the app way. It's visual, you can click around, and here's the kicker. It lets you test all the possible models at the same time. It's built for you to just explore. And honestly, this quote just nails it. It really is like having a whole team of data science experts sitting right there with you, ready to go to work, and you don't have to write any code to manage them. All right, you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how does it actually work? Well, you'd be surprised how simple it is. It all comes down to a really straightforward 3-step process. Let's imagine we're solving a mystery. First, step 1, you load your clues. That's just your data. Step 2, you train your detectives. The app basically unleashes a whole team of different models, and each one is like a detective with its own unique method for cracking the case. And finally, step 3, you check their work. The app gives you an instant report card that shows you exactly which detective did the best job. And now, we get to the really fun part, picking a winner. After the app has trained all those different detectives, you get to decide which one is absolutely the best for your particular problem. Now, you're going to see some technical-sounding names pop up, like decision trees or support vector machines. You'll often see that shortened to SVMs. But don't let the names intimidate you. Just think of them as different strategies. A decision tree is kind of like a detective playing 20 questions to figure out the answer. An SVM is more like a detective drawing the super smart line to separate two groups on a map. The app just tries all these strategies for you. And the results? They couldn't be easier to read. The app shows you a simple bar chart, just like this one. You can see right away that the tallest bar, that complex tree, is our clear winner. It's got the highest accuracy. Instantly, you know which model is at the top of the leaderboard. So in our example, that top model hit an amazing 91% accuracy. That's our champion. That's the detective that solved the case. But, as we're about to see, accuracy isn't always the only thing that matters. And this is where it gets really interesting, because this table shows us that accuracy isn't the whole story. Our winning model, the complex tree, is over 91% accurate, and it's fast. But look at the SVM model below it. It's a little less accurate, sure, but it's very fast. So if you were building an app that needed to make split-second decisions, maybe you'd be willing to trade a tiny bit of accuracy for that extra speed. The app gives you everything you need to make that kind of smart decision. Okay, so we've found our star player. We have a model that we know performs really well. Now what? Well, this is where we take it out of the lab and put it into the real world. It's time to put our model to work. And trust me, the places this stuff is used are everywhere, and they're literally shaping our world. We're talking about predicting if a customer is about to cancel their service, helping doctors spot tumors in medical scans, approving or denying loan applications in seconds, and even the facial recognition that unlocks your phone. This one idea is behind so much of the tech we use every single day. And here's the best part. The app makes this final step so simple. You don't have to go back and try to rebuild anything from scratch. With literally one click, you can export your fully trained, high-performing model, and it's ready to be dropped right into your app or your software. Just start making smart decisions right away. So, what this all means is that the wall that used to keep people out of machine learning is crumbling down. You don't need to be a coding genius anymore to start teaching computers how to solve really complex problems. Which leaves us with just one question. When tools this powerful are this easy to get your hands on, what amazing problems will you solve?